Open floor plan ranch expanded and attached apartment or workshop with a studio above. Greenhouse and sun deck are part of the expansion. Gazebo with swings. There is so much opportunity for some sweat equity dollars. 3/4-inch hardwood throughout the original floor plan. Other under the carpet in the family room. Florida room with a waterfall creates needed serenity. There is room to grow in this most desirable neighborhood. The attached garage allows for front access and a drive-through should you want to convert the shop into a garage for maintenance. Half brick and half aluminum, this home is nearly maintenance-free. There are appliances in the house and all were working when the house was vacated. Central heat and there is a potbelly stove in the family room. The house conveys as is, where is. Seller to make no repairs. Inspections are subject to a ratified contract. Grow your family and have ready an in-law apartment or renter.